Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to another session of Moldex3D's webinar series. We have a special guest with us today, and the topic of today's webinar is going to be process transfer using Moldex3D simulation for smart manufacturing. The speaker is going to be Doug Espinoza from RJG. Doug is the manager of their T0 division.
All right, we're going to get started with the process transfer using Moldex3D simulation for smart manufacturing. First and foremost, thank you Shrikar and Moldex3D for sponsoring this event. Helps out our industry as a whole. My name is Doug Espinoza, T0 manager at RJG. RJG is a technology company that trains, consults, and provides technology for the injection molding industry. So you'll see that connection between us and Moldex3D throughout this presentation. You are attending the webinar Process Transfer using Moldex3D Simulation for Smart Manufacturing, and in recent years much has been talked about smart production frameworks, if you will, Industry 4.0, big data, etc. Many thought of Industry 4.0 as a buzzword or a thing that would just be a trend. However, it's part of a recognized industry revolution, and again, we'll be covering this in more detail. What industry, we get questions all the time, what is Industry 4.0? And is a question we hear a lot, but it's actually the wrong question because there's no single answer. So it depends on a perspective or what you do for manufacturing or what you do, basically in life itself. The application of Industry 4.0 varies, again, dramatically from one market to the next. There is some background noise, so someone's not muted, but that's okay. I'll continue forward. Simply put, Industry 4.0 is using the technology available to you to streamline processes and become more efficient at your workflow. And again, if you look at a workflow and this particular diagram, as we kick this off, is the impact of change in blue versus the cost of change in the charcoal color. Is fairly significant. Your impact up front is going to pay big dividends later. And so if you look at this, this whole process as it starts here during maybe even marketing or product design, and you go through this whole process, the opportunity or the benefit is going to be waste, reduced waste, and time to market potentially if you are a brand owner. That's really important to you. So again, what we'll talk about is collaborating, and again, the value of RJG and Moldex3D